I'm gonna show you 3 personal loan options that offer less than 10% APR. That's less than 10% and can give you up to $50,000 even with the low FICO. It goes down as low as 300. Yes, you can have a FICO score and they're accepting people at 300. And here's the thing, 1 in 3 people, literally 34% of Americans have low credit scores. So don't feel bad. If you look at 3 people, 1 of them has a low credit score. So don't feel bad if your credit is low. And if it's great, well, good for you. You'll get an even better APR. And the cool thing is you can get this money, you can get approved same day, which is incredible. This can make finding a personal loan challenging if you have a low credit score, but you don't have to worry. I've got you covered if you're looking for a personal loan options, but worried about your credit score. Today's video is just for you. So stick around, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out. Before I tell you how awesome these loans are, let me tell you a bit about myself. I've had every credit rating you can think of, from 850 down to 300 to like nobody would even answer my phone calls. I get how hard it is to get loans when you have credit scores that are low. And that's what my goal is on this channel, is to help you get anything and everything you want. My name's Andrew Cartwright. I'm here to help you get money, to leverage that money and invest it. I can relate to where you are. I've been broke and homeless to multimillionaire 4 different times, learned a ton of strategies, paid $43 million for my education. Yeah, a lot. That's a lot of bumps and bruises and scars, my friends. I founded 32 companies, started them and funded them in 17 completely different industries, bought 17 companies, buying more now, and I've exited 5 times. I'm in a good place. If you can run a business and have a 680 credit score, I want to partner with you in Epic 99 down below. I'll put up the capital. You'll own 81%. I'll own 19%. We'll go into business together. Special thanks to Pinex for sponsoring a portion of this video. Pinex's pool. Pinex is a crypto exchange in the US that offers trading bots, and if you register using the link, they'll give you $30 to try out the bot and test everything on the platform absolutely for free. And also don't forget to grab your free stock in the description with Mumu and Weeble. 3 different places to get you money, just free money. So let's dive into this. Now, before we apply, here's a few key points that you gotta keep in mind. Number 1, interest rates are likely to be higher for borrowers with lower credit scores. Not rocket science, right? This is something to be aware of, and it will affect your monthly payments and the total amount that you repay back over time. Now again, it won't be forever, because as you make those payments, your credit's gonna go up and you'll be able to refinance these interest rates. I'm gonna show you loans with varying interest rates from super high to super low. However, if you're interested in building your credit to get lower interest rates by refinancing some of those high interest loans, then I have the perfect solution. I want to give a special thanks to an amazing company called Crown Credit Pros, who help anyone looking to repair their credit. They were kind enough to sponsor today's video, and I want you to get help from them if you need it. And they have some really cool tools and resources that will help you out if you have bad credit. Crown Credit Pros offers free consultation. They go over what's holding your score back or down and how many points they can restore back to your credit score, which is pretty cool. They help fix your credit while you spend time doing what you love, being with your family or building that business. To check out their services, go down below in the description. You can go also to their website at https://crowncreditpros.com. And make sure you tell them Andrew Cartwright sent you, so they'll know where you came from and they'll take really good care of you. Thanks again, Crown Credit Pros. Number 2, always compare offers from multiple lenders to find the best terms. Don't necessarily have to go with the first one. Shop around. Can really help secure a low interest rate, better payment terms, maybe a longer period of time, and save you money over the long run. So you definitely want to check that out. Lenders are not all the same, and they don't get their money from the same place, and they have different objectives. Number 3, check if the lender allows you to pre-qualify without a hard money pool. All this is to help you with these 3 lenders I'm about to tell you how to apply with, so stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you that. Pre-qualification can give you the idea of the rates and terms that you might qualify for without impacting your credit score. Thankfully, none of the ones I'm going to show you today do a hard pull on your credit, which is really cool. Also, if you want a business loan, in the description, we've got 10 different types of business loans. We don't hard pull your credit either. So If you need a business loan, you can go down there. Number 4, be prepared to provide documents like bank statements or proof of income. They want to know that you can pay this loan back. Lenders use this information to assess your ability to repay the loan, because they also have to report to the federal government about whether they're predatory lenders. So they need to know that you can pay the money back. Number 5, carefully review the loan terms, including fees and repayment schedules. Read what you sign, so important. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions, and that way you avoid any surprises. Now that you know what to look for, let's go over these 3 different personal loans and dig into the nitty-gritty. First up, we have op loans. This lender specifically caters to people with bad credit. They're looking for you. If you have bad credit, you're 1 out of 3, make sure you go there. Their application process is super easy and done entirely online, making it convenient to apply from the comfort of your home, even the comfort of your couch, or wherever you are right now. Plus, they only perform a soft credit pull, so applying won't impact your credit score with a hard inquiry. This is particularly important if you're worried about additional hits to your credit report. See, here's the thing. They can check it if they actually lend you the money. Most of the time, if they're going to do personal, if they lend you the money, they typically have to do a hard pull. But then at least you know you got the money. If you're approved, you might even get $4,000 the same day. Op Loans prides itself on providing a fast and efficient services, ensuring that you get funds you need without unnecessary delays. At least that's what they told me. They said, Andrew, this is how we roll. So now, be careful with this one. Interest rates could be a little high, but at least you get some money. However, if you need money in an emergency situation and you need a lender, this might be a great one to go to. Like when I dislocated my fingers, probably needed them right away. Next on the list is Avant. They accept applications for credit scores of 580 and offer various repayment options. Avant could be a good fix if you're looking for flexibility and how to pay back your loan. They've got that flexibility. And you can get approved for anything from $2,000 to $35,000. And they offer a range of loan amounts and repayment terms, so you can find something that works within your budget and is flexible enough to fit your lifestyle. They also have much lower interest rates than op loans because, well, they require a little bit higher credit score, if you know what I mean. Additionally, Avant customers service is highly rated. Like, they actually will talk to you. Wild, right, today? Providing support through the loan process to ensure that you have a positive experience. Now, I've saved the best for last. I'm gonna talk about it in a second. I couldn't even get a hold of Tesla to find out how to get the paperwork. I bought a Cybertruck and I'm like supposed to register it, and I don't even have the paperwork because they said they were gonna email it to me, but they didn't. And nobody would answer the phone, so I had to go back to the actual place. So it's nice that people will actually talk to you. Now, I've saved the best part for last. This is Upstart. This lender is a fantastic choice if you have a low credit score or limited credit history. Upstart, which makes sense, right? For upstarting your credit, uses artificial intelligence, that good old AI. They're using it to help make the cost of lending even cheaper so they can offer more people the ability to access capital. So to evaluate applications beyond just their credit score, that's why they use AI to know who you are, which means they look at things like your education, your employment history. They also don't perform a hard credit pull when you apply. Upstart can approve borrowers with credit scores as low as 300. They've advertised it. It's on their website. They say it. And you can get up to $50,000 as soon as 1 business day if you're approved. While they may not have the same payment flexibility as Avant, right? Upstart can have very similar interest rates to that and even accept lower FICO scores. This quick turnaround can be a lifesaver if you're in a pinch and need that money fast. Now, Upstart is perfect if you have terrible credit and don't want to pay a crazy amount of interest. While all of these lenders did not sponsor this video at all. Typically, I don't really work with lenders to sponsor videos. I like to tell you the truth. While all of these lenders can offer you quick applications and consider applications with low credit scores without hard pulling you, It's critical that you borrow responsibly. I don't want you to get upside down and can't pay it back. Make sure that you can afford to pay back these loans if possible. Look for alternatives like local financial assistance or programs. I got videos on how you can get up to $7,000 a month in social programs, from housing to food to whatever you need if you're really in a pinch in that way. I have videos for you. I got grant videos. I got social videos to help you if you're really down and out. I make them so that I cover everybody on the spectrum, from homeless and broke all the way to billionaires. That's how we roll here. Everybody's included. Take care. My name is Andrew Cartwright. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you've enjoyed it and watched it this far. Make sure you stick around because I'm getting ready to launch a community that's gonna change your life. If you wanna accomplish your dreams, it's coming. The Circle Origin of Opportunity is about to be launched. Take care. Love you.